Let's look at handover as a whole. With the amount of effort that goes in, I mean, we could see handover taking as much as 10% of a total project cost. That's an astronomical cost, and we need to be able to reduce that. So looking at technology going forward, we want to reduce the handover requirements. We want to reduce the hands-on, how all the different key players, but we really need to define those requirements up front. And then again, using Hexagon products for an integrated environment, we're able to reduce that considerably. When I say reduce the handover requirements, when we're talking about a manual process, there's a lot of things that need to go in play. There's the document control, there's the engineering companies, everybody's got their hands on it and play a key role in that process. So when I say reduce, I'm not talking about the data requirements, but I'm talking about the steps and stages that we actually need to execute to hand over information. And now with Hexagon technologies, integrated systems, those steps we've essentially eliminated and automated a lot of that process. So that helps drastically throughout that handover stage. When we go back to the owner-operator and we're operating that facility and we have these projects internally, with Hexagon products using that integrated environment, our guys work right into the system. They're doing everything within the tools. There essentially is no handover. Handover is a huge effort. It's a big part of the project, and the challenges that we face or that we see facing organizations is the fact that the owner or the customer, in that case, who's receiving the data, doesn't outline their expectations clearly up front. We need standards, we need processes, we need procedures, we need to ensure that we're getting, from an operational point of view, what we require to operate the plant. That's the biggest challenge that we see. Technology has played a huge role, and handover, from my experience, it started with a semi-truck full of documents to binders to CDs. Then we got into more of a digital handover that we're starting to see now with Hexagon technology obviously playing a key role in that. Lots of struggles, lots of back and forth between data transitions. Most organizations aren't at a full digital handover yet, but with Hexagon we can definitely get them there. Going into an integrated environment, a lot of that handover we can eliminate because we can allow the companies, contractors, etc., to work in our environment, thus reducing that handover stage and improving that handover stage. Now that we have single environments, working with Hexagon products, an integrated environment is essentially what we're talking about. We have the ability to make change quicker, make decisions faster, and with more trust. I think in an ideal world, it's literally just a transfer of information. We have no paper. The only thing that we would see potentially would be a sign off of a document to say the handover is completed.